the biggest problems that most startups have right now is that they're wasting too much money, effort, and their precious time on manual work. So, what is the solution? Here's the real deal. The solution is basically to replace robotic and repetitive tasks using AI agents and automatic workflows that does follow-ups, that books appointments, and also closes deals with your leads, all using make.com and no-code automations. So in this video, I'm going to explain to you how to basically create these automations using make.com. What is the roadmap of doing these, and also what do these automations do? And I'm also going to tell you these in 7 different steps. So stay with me. The hired AI, and as I just said it, I'm going to explain to you in 7 different steps on basically how to convert your whole startup team into a fully automated based and AI based, whatever you call it, startup team. So basically I'm going to start right away, and then I also have a document ready for you guys here. I can also show you to you. And then there, as you can see yourself, there are 7 different steps, but hear me out. The 6th and the 7th step are the most important ones. So please keep watching until you basically reach the step 6 and the step 7. So let's start with the step 1. So what is the first step of this roadmap that I have basically made for you? So the step 1 is basically understanding the AI agents and how they work. So the first question that comes up to your mind is basically going to be, what are AI agents? So basically AI agents are specialized AI systems that can do a couple of different things mentioned here. They can perform tasks autonomously. They can make decisions based on data and logic. So that's a really important thing, because this is basically all data and logic oriented. And also they can collaborate with other AI agents and also your sales team, and they are absolutely going to reduce the weight on your human sales team and also your daily operations. So AI agents are not just chatbots, which you're probably seeing on social media these days. For example, ChatGPT, or like people are saying weird stuff to ChatGPT and basically those different AIs. So that this is not the game here. They can replace your entire startup function, from marketing to sales, customer support, and more, as you can see here. So what can AI agents do? They can create content for you. They can write and schedule emails. They can call and qualify leads, and they can also handle customer support fully automatically. And all of those are going to be updated right on your pipeline on your CRM dashboard. So AI doesn't just replace jobs, it's going to transform your business model. That's the whole different thing. So here is a really simple diagram or chart, or whatever you call it, ready for you. You can see that I've created a little scenario here, basically comparing 2 different people, business owners that are, one of them is using AI and one of them is not. So let's just see. Jake is a startup founder drowning in manual tasks. He's basically hiring too many people and wasting his time on training these new people, and it's also going to be expensive and time wasting for him. It's going to be slow, and as I've said here, they basically error prone processes, human mistakes, and they're obviously going to cost so much money. He also has scaling problems, which more customers means more work, bigger team, which bigger teams means higher costs. So also, meanwhile, meet Emma. Emma is another founder, runs a lean AI-powered startup system. So basically, she uses AI agents plus make.com automations to handle 80% of the work without hiring extra staff. The result is Jake is overwhelmed and overpaying for labor, but Emma's startup is basically 3 times more scalable and 60% cheaper to run. That's a whole different game they're playing. So Jake assumes AI is just chatbots, but Emma corrects him. So here are the things that I just told you. You can also pause it and read it yourself. And here's the whole diagram that I have created for you right here. So you can see that basically it all starts from the problem, which is startups waste time and money. This is just really quick overview of the whole things that I'm gonna speak through or basically told you right now. So you can just pause the video yourself and see the whole roadmap or the whole overview on this diagram. But let's move on to the next step, which would be replacing content creation with AI. And here we have the next step here. So the next step is basically replacing content creation with AI, as I just said. So the old way you were probably doing this is basically brain dumping and basically having one of those brainstorms with your friends and with your colleagues or whatever you have. So you're just squeezing the shit out of your mind to come up with a really simple video script or idea, so you can just record it and upload it. Here's basically the better solution. You are gonna use this new way, which is the implementation of AI and automation on make.com. So you can basically remove the cost of paying writers, content creators, or editors, or even people that are managing and scheduling it to basically upload it on different platforms. Us ourselves, instead of using generic ChatGPT prompts, as you can see, we train AI to create content like you. Even if I'm going to be honest with you today, the video that you are watching right now is also generated with AI. So here's the thing. You're going to basically automate and train the AI to create content related to you. So here's basically the third step. So the third step is basically going to be fine-tuning the AI for your own startup. You're basically going to tailor it for your own needs. So the problem is ChatGPT most of the time is going to fail because it's generic and robotic content. It doesn't understand your brand's voice, values, or goals. So here's the thing. You're going to fine-tune the AI for referring the AI to your past content. So here's basically the way to do it. You're going to collect 20 to 50 of your best posts that you have done. You're going to reverse engineer the prompt that could generate similar content. You're going to fine-tune the OpenAI latest ChatGPT model on this database. And then you're going to upload your brand guidelines so the AI understands your core beliefs. So what is the result after? The AI is now trained on your data, which leads to 70% higher content quality. And here's the step 4. And also let me show it to you here. So the step 4 basically refers to teaching AI to follow your brand guidelines. How are you going to do that? You're basically going to write a brand brief and upload it to the AI prompt. So it's going to include a bullet point of core values and opinions, on other terms, what you believe in, the content theme that you create, the writing and style tone, which refers to casual, professional, or humorous, or anything that you are coming up with, and also the opposing view, what you reject or what you dislike. So you're obviously gonna cover both of the ends, right? So here's the fix. The AI is gonna read your brand brief before generating content, which ensures on brand messaging. That's it. And here we come to the fifth step, and I'm gonna also mark it here for you guys. So let's automate content creation using make.com, or formerly Integromat, which you may guys know it from. Building an AI content team in make.com is not really that hard. I also have one automation ready just now for you guys to see it, and I'm also gonna show it to you. So let me bring it up. So here's one of the automations that we're also currently doing right now. For example, you can see it's really simple. It's basically using scraper applications through Appify, and it's going to scrape different kinds of videos upon the internet or YouTube or whatever. And then we have our own AI assistant So I'm actually bringing it all down to earth so you guys understand the whole concept of this automation. So basically, you see, after getting all of those from Apify and giving it to my qualification assistant, my assistant is going to qualify which of those videos that possibly went viral and are good for me, related to my qualification. I mean, according to my qualification criteria, which I just told you in the past steps. And then I'm gonna basically store them in a Google Sheet. Then I have my other assistant, which is called the repurpose assistant. This assistant is basically gonna repurpose the whole video based on what I do. And as I just told you on the step 4, I guess, based on my brand message, my beliefs. And then here we have another AI that is basically doing really small things here. And then I'm uploading it to the Google Doc, and then I'm gonna upload it on my Trello board, which is gonna show it to the team, and everyone is gonna be updated. So that was a really simple explanation of one of our simple content creation automations, and you're now basically aware of it. Here we finally come to step 6, one of the most important steps. So basically, the step 6 is about, let me just bring up the document for you guys. So here's the step 6. Well, so basically step 6 is referring to expanding AI agents beyond content creation. Once you build an AI agent, you can replicate the process for any kind of tasks. The other AI agents you can build in make.com are basically AI sales agents, AI email outreach agents, AI customer support agents, and also AI lead nurturing agents. And last but not least, AI recruitment agents, which are all of them created using these kinds of automations. So here's the thing, one of the most famous AIs that we are currently using, and you should always obviously be aware of, and that's why you're probably following us. By the way, if you're new to this channel, you can hit the subscribe button and see the rest of our videos. So anyways, the AI that we are mostly famous for is our AI voice calling agent, which qualifies the leads before getting them to your appointments. That's the whole thing. So basically, step 7 refers to automating your whole business with automation and workflows. So AI agents are only half of the solution. The real power is in make.com automations, also combining it with GHL workflows and VAPI AI, voice AI agents. It's gonna be a whole enormous system that is basically going to handle everything for you. So what I'm saying here is basically you can see a real quick sample of what is going to happen and to your business after implementing this for the whole business, and how is the business model going to look. So the lead enters your CRM, the AI qualifies the leads, the AI calls the leads. If they're interested, they're going to book an appointment. AI sends the follow-ups, probably email and SMS reminders, and then AI updates all of those on your CRM dashboard, logs the call details, lead status, and also the other steps. So hear me out. This is basically a fully automated lead management, which is going to bring you higher conversion rates and also less work and lighter works, obviously. So the whole summary of this video, which I'm also referring to it here, is basically creating AI agents that can basically create content for you, and also far from that can basically take your whole business into a different level. So after all, if you want to stay ahead of the competition, you can join our private community of AI automations. And also, if you're really serious about it, we also create these automations ourselves. You can book a free consultation with us. The link is down below, and then we're going to discuss it and see how we can tailor it to your needs. Book a free consultation with us. The link is down below. And if you just don't want to do it for yourself, you can basically join our private community on School. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next time.